I got the ENDOZER spray gun for professionals. 1.4 millimeter painting nozzle, 600 milliliter cup container, professional tube. Here's the sprayer, nozzle, trigger, air line, air intake adjusters. You get extra bottle containers. You get the container, screws right there. After you remove the cap, red protective cap protects the threads. You get 2 container grommets, sprayer filter, 2 grommets for your spray paint tip, airline quick connect, tip cleaner, tip lubricant, 10 millimeter wrench for fine adjustments, bottle cleaner brush, Allen wrench for fine tuning, the how-to ENDOZER Easy 1 spray gun. You get a nice storage bag with it. Very good product. I highly recommend it for your home's painting tool collection. Thank you.